Now, forebrain. Forebrain consists of three main parts, as I told earlier, and this is the main thinking part of brain. Cerebrum, hypothalamus, and olfactory lobes are the three main parts. Cerebrum. Forebrain consists of two cerebral hemispheres. Means cerebrum is having two cerebral hemispheres, and the hypothalamus mainly. Hemispheres are interconnected by a thick band of nerve fibers. They are called as corpus callosum. Again, you have to learn for one word questions. Cerebral cortex, that is made up of gray matter and shows many convulsions and depressions. Convolutions are called as gyri and depressions are pronounced as sulci. These modifications of the surface area that increases the surface area in order to accommodate large number of nerve cells. Due to folds, it can accommodate more number of nerve cells or neurons in it. So that is cerebrum. Then fact file, animals having poorly developed cerebral hemispheres are not capable of intelligent action but only instinctive behavior. So a measure of intelligence of an animal is the size of its brain, and it is measured as a ratio of weight of the brain to the total body weight. Higher this brain to body ratio, more intelligent the animal is. Then cerebrum is the largest and most complex part of brain, and it has two different types of brain tissues. The irregular shaped white matter, that is composed of mainly axons or fibers, and deeper part that is and from the deeper part is cerebral medulla. So white matter, that is covered by a superficial thin layer of gray matter, also called as cerebral cortex, and consists of neurons or cell body. So it's largest part. Then cerebrum is divided into two identical halves, those cerebral hemispheres, and each half has four lobes, which are named after the bone of the skull, which is situated above it, because bone is made up of different bones joined together with immovable joints. So parietal lobe, first one is frontal lobe, that controls voluntary movement, personality, speech and memory. Then parietal lobe, that is involved with wide variety of sensory information, heat, cold, pain, touch and body position in space. Then occipital lobe, that contains our sense of vision, and temporal lobe, that contains our sense of hearing. Then hypothalamus, that lies underneath the front part of cerebrum, floor of the forebrain, and its functions are: it regulates and maintains body homeostasis, that is steady state of the body. Then it has regulatory area for thirst, hunger, body temperature, water balance and blood pressure. Then it also controls aggressive and reproductive behavior, including reflexes. What are reflexes? That we will do later. It also links the nervous system to the endocrine system. This is also important function. Internally, downgrowth of hypothalamus forms the pituitary body, while its roof secretes cerebrospinal fluid. So cerebrospinal fluid is secreted by the roof part of hypothalamus. Then these are the functions of cerebrospinal fluid that we will do.